Hey everybody, Purple Tanuki here. I'm just doing a little unboxing of the Wave 1 amiibos. Yes, I normally do not show my face on my YouTube channel, but this is amiibos, so why not? So let's unbox the first one, which is Link. I'm just pulling these up randomly. I have the entire of Wave 1, and let's not start off to a bad start. Ooh, good. Usually it gets blocked by this stuff sometimes, but no. Okay, so we have Link. Okay, he's a lot detailed, as you can see. Speaking of kind of feel bad unpackaging this. But yeah, also, you can't just place your amiibo on here. There's a little blocking thing, so you can't. But yeah, he is super detailed. Besides, that's not the stick of his ass, okay. But yeah, look at the Master Hylian Shield. Oh my god, like, this is so detailed. So I'm gonna keep him right there. Next one is, well, Yoshi. So let's unbox this Yoshi. And I made this one. I want to run the Wii U Smash Brothers in the background. Oh, yeah, I've already played about hours. So we'll set that running in the background. You can't see all of it, but yeah. And whatever. Anyways, we have Yoshi here. Yoshi is very good of a character. He's actually one of my mains. So is Link. I forgot to mention that, but yes. Here is the Yoshi. I'm going to be buying all of these amiibos. John, I know you always call me like rich, but I'm really not. I just earned the money. But yeah. Next we have Donkey Kong. I think this is Jeremy's main. So yeah. I got it right that time. Okay, let's see if I can pull this out correctly. Good, got that correctly. Okay. So I want to mention, yeah, these are very fragile actually, but there's the Smash Bros. Trophy sign on the bottom. So that's a cool feature, but anyways, here's a block of that. But anyways, he's very detailed, to be honest. They got the tie in the motion, they got the smash symbol, so let's put that guy over there. That guy's a bit heavy, actually. Oh, Gerald, this is for you. We got Villager. And actually. Dun, dun. I'll leave the Wii U run in the background. So the Wii U and then call it like that, okay? Yeah, so about the Smash Bros. Wii U Let's Play. I'm actually on vacation right now. I bought these. So I'm gonna be gone for about a week and a half. So sorry about the uploads. This is gonna be about the best upload you can get this entire week. Maybe I will show off like maybe some vlogs about it. But yeah, no, this is how to play. You can listen to music. Ooh, that's a nice frame rate. Okay. Anyways, we have Villager. This one's actually very cool. And I like this guy a lot. He was my main at one point, but I decided not to use him. It's number 1 on his back. Goes around. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool Killager. The demon. Ooh, next we have another one of Jeremy's mains. We have Samus. I think this is Jeremy's main. I'm not correct, Jeremy. Please correct me in the comments. Also, in the comments, please comment below if you want me to see anything else. But anyways, if we can get this open. Okay. That'll work if it doesn't pull up. There we got Samus. Or Samus. Okay, maybe you can just... Yeah, pull it. But yeah. Samus is very detailed. And very tall. She is very tall. Not a he. Packaging. Also, when I bought this game, I actually got 2 of these things, but they are a Super Smash Bros. Champions belt. I should use them for tournaments. If I have them at, like, PAX East, maybe I'll give them to one of the refrigerators. But I don't like PAX East this year. Too expensive. I didn't pass up on it. But yeah, we have Fox McCloud now, which, Kevin, this is for you. Okay, notice I have gameplay running in the background. Villager 5 Wii Fit Trainer and King D. I've shown everyone in the Let's Play about that, besides Wii Fit Trainer and Wii Fit Trainer and Villager. Yeah. Oh, I gotta be careful with these also, just so don't break. But yeah, Fox, very detailed also. Let's see if I can give you all this. Okay. There's another one. Oh my god, I already have 6. I've been unboxing. Oh, Todd, this is one of your mains. Okay. We have Wii Fit Trainer. Packaging. Some we have a match with Ness, Lucario, Sheik, and Kirby. Your main's up there, Todd. He's actually losing percent-wise. Now he's in second, but okay. Anyways. Here to pay attention to that. You're here to pay attention about this. And we have the Wii Fit Trainer. And we're going back to the introduction. Okay. Gotta listen to it again, but yeah. That's so cool. She has a, like, block on her foot, but yeah, it's actually pretty detailed. Like, all of it smash symbol in the middle. So yeah. Okay, we have Kirby next. One of my old names. It has been scrapped. Crap, how am I going to get this open now? I should be pushing too hard. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we have Palutena. Shulk? Well, Shulk so much. Okay. Okay. So here we have Kirby. Like, he's very detailed. Yeah, he has his cute little feet. You get in the bottom. Where is it? Yeah, you just place this on the gamepad. I'm not going to show the gamepad because it's kind of messed up right now. I'm not really cooperating that much because I dropped it like last year. Yeah, anyway, this is Kirby. It's so cute and fluffy. Just going with that. Probably here, like, knocking everything up. Oh, we have, I don't know if this is John's main or not. She may, but we have Peach now. Oh god. She's been a pain for me to first in Smash. Todd's amazing for so is John. Okay, so we have Peach with basically a puffy skirt. Let's scroll through. Okay, I have to get on the camera. I'm using an iPad camera for this. Yeah, super unprofessional since I'm away from my computer. Like I said before. Let me get back in my chair. Okay. Ooh, we have Kevin's main. One of Kevin's mains. Yeah, we have Pikachu. So, yeah, pretty much. Pikachu's, oh yeah, this is sort of a game how to play. Anyways, here's the Pikachu. Cute little guy. Nerdy skips out like also just because she is a big Pokemon fan. There is Pikachu. We have 2 more left. I'm gonna save my number 2 main for last, which you kind of know what it is by now if you've seen this next one. He's definitely in top 5, but yeah. But you probably know what is after if he's not shown, he's Mr. Video Game, if you know what I mean. Anyways. Here we have the next one, which is Marth from the Fire Emblem series. Yeah, I will be looking hold this up, and Marth is super loose with his cape, so you guys know, like, here's how loose it is. Like, I'm moving my finger and it's all, like, really about to come off. Anyways, let's give him this details. Oh wait, I never showed Pikachu's details, maybe. So, I already did, but Pikachu's with the world. Pikachu! Okay, anyways, we have Marth. Marth with his little blade. I hear Shulk in the background. Yeah, Shulk, my main. You know, this is the last one, which is, oh god, I gotta move on my chair to get it. I don't know, but yes, we have Mario, the last one, in my top 5 mains. I love Mario. I can spike anyone with this guy. Okay, anyways. Not to brag, but John, get wrecked with Mario. Seriously. We've got Mario, Mr. Video Game himself. The textures are really good on him. Like, really, I love the textures. Here's a little closer look at the Spikester himself. And, yes, that's about all of them. So, thank you all for watching this unboxing of these amiibo. I might as well do a recap on them. Okay, so we have first Mario, Pikachu, Kirby. I'm just going to do them from the N64 version to the newest ones. Yoshi, Fox, Donkey Kong, also known as DK, Link, and last but not least in the N64 version, Samus. So that's, yeah, the original 8. So yeah, now let's go into the Melee people. We have 2. We have Princess Peach, and we have Marth, the Hero King himself. I don't know, Rating Hero Kings, I don't remember. But next we have the newcomers, which are Wii Fit Trainer, and last but not least, Villager. So yeah, I'm Purple Tanuki, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.